Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Crisp function on your Ninja air fryer. This powerful setting is engineered to give your frozen foods an incredibly crispy finish, much faster than traditional air frying. It utilizes a very high temperature, usually around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for achieving that golden brown crunch on items like frozen French fries or chicken nuggets. Before you begin, proper food preparation is key to maximizing crispiness. Always arrange your food in a single layer in the air fryer basket, ensuring there's enough space for the super hot air to circulate effectively. Overcrowding will hinder the crisping process. For an even better crunch, consider lightly tossing your frozen items with just 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil before placing them in the fryer. To get started, first make sure the crisper plate is properly inserted into the basket. Next, select the Max Crisp function on your air fryer. You'll notice the temperature is usually locked at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, as this setting is optimized for maximum heat. For the crispiest outcome, always preheat your air fryer for 3 minutes before carefully placing your food inside the basket. For optimal results, set your cooking time in 1-minute increments, usually up to a maximum of 30 minutes, and adjust based on your food. Remember to shake or toss your ingredients at least 2 times throughout the cooking process. This ensures every piece gets that perfect, even crisp. Since Max Crisp cooks much faster, always keep a close eye on your food to prevent overcooking and achieve delicious, perfectly crispy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.